Hi, my name is Vinay Nigam and I'm working here as executive chef in Beaumont the Fun Hotel. So now we are going to make sizzlers. We are having a sizzler festival right now. Sizzler festival going on in Cilantro restaurant. So every day evening you can come and enjoy lots of sizzlers. We have variety of sizzler here. You can get a Chettinad style sizzler or American or Chinese, or right now I'm going to prepare here tandoori sizzler. So what we have to do for a tandoori sizzler, here we have chicken breast and we need to marinate. We'll marinate with the ginger little bit, and garlic chop, and this is a cumin powder, little cinnamon powder, green coriander powder. Here we have a cashew nut paste, hang cut. This is a hang cut. We'll put a little bit, half teaspoon of chili oil for the color, natural chili color. So you can see this is the marination. This chicken will cook in a tandoor, slow heat in charcoal, so flavor will be good, and will serve on a sizzler. So this chicken I am going to send in the main kitchen. Our tandoor chef will cook it and send it back here. So this is chicken marination is ready. We need to put little bit salt, black pepper. Actually, if you are going to cook in a home, you have to marinate 2-3 hours and keep it, so it will be tasty and nice soft. So this is chicken is ready. I will send it to my kitchen. Marinate some vegetables, because sizzler will give the particular nice sizzler with rice, vegetables and chicken. So I have some vegetables like broccoli, green, and we'll take some potatoes. Marinate with some salt. We'll put some salt, black pepper, little bit cinnamon powder, cardamom powder green, cumin powder roasted, cashew nut and hang cut. And we need to use a hand to mix it well. Just use hand and just marinate nicely to cashew nut, and this powder should be mixed well. Actually this broccoli and oil, this potato is already half done. Just we need to toss in the pan. It's already cooked. So this is the vegetable is ready. Now we have to make the rice. And when you are going to make sizzler, that sizzler plate should be hot. So I already put in a fire. The sizzler plate is getting heat. So sizzler plate should be very hot. So then smoke will become and you will feel having sizzler. For the rice we'll use little bit ghee, half tablespoon, and we'll put some whole cardamom. This rice is little. We'll put some black pepper, pinch of black pepper, salt, like a ghee rice, and we have to put some little bit garam masala in this one for flavor. Like ghee rice is ready with little bit garam masala flavor. So rice we'll keep it in the bowl. This rice is ready. We'll use this vegetables. We'll need little bit ghee and just saute. Is already marinated with oil and masala and all salt and pepper. We just need to saute. Sizzler is also hot. This is a sizzler plate, is made by iron, very heavy, and this is the base of the sizzler, wooden base. And chicken, our chicken is also ready. We cook inside the tandoor. This chicken is ready here, hot chicken. So now this sizzler plate I'm going to put the wooden. We need to put some cabbage because it's very hot. We need to put some cabbage on this one, and we just place a vegetable on the side. This rice also will put in the middle. this chicken tandoori is ready here. Just put on the side. Now we have to put some butter, so you can see the smoke coming up. Now this is a tandoori sizzler is ready to eat. It will go like this in the table and it will be very hot. So it's ready to eat. It's very hot tandoori sizzler. So you can come here in Cilantro and enjoy this tandoori sizzler in the evening. Thank you.